We have this exciting new box in our studio today, and we are really excited about this. This is the new Apple Mac Studio powered by the M2 Max SoC. It was just announced at WWDC earlier this month, and we are going to unbox this and we'll also bring you our first impressions. So let's go ahead and check this out. So similar to other Apple products, as you can see, there is no plastic. The box is made from recycled cardboard, and first you have this documentation and a giant Apple logo, and once that is done, in the box you have the Mac Studio itself. We'll come back to this in a bit. And then you have this power cord as well.
There is one thing to note though, the 3-pin top of the power plug has one big pin which may not fit in with a regular socket, and you'll need an adapter for it so that it fits in easily, like this. Now let's go ahead and unwrap this. So this is the Mac Studio. It is a little heavy at 2.7 kgs and is made from the same aluminum material as the MacBooks. The design is very compact. You get this square-shaped box with sharp, flat edges and rounded corners, and there's a flat top with a neat Apple logo. The bottom is tapered and has grill holes for ventilation. Up front, there are two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports and an SDXC card slot. At the back, there are 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a 10 GB Ethernet port, a power port, 2 USB-A ports, one HDMI port, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and the power button. And on top of this, you have the grill holes for ventilation again. As the Mac Studio has a compact design, it fits in well under the monitor display too, like this. Our Mac Studio is powered by the M2 Max SoC featuring 67 billion transistors and offering up to 15.8 TOPS or trillion operations per second. It comes with a 12-core CPU, 30-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. There is also an option to get a 38-core GPU by paying $200 extra. The base model has 32 GB of unified memory and 512 GB of SSD. This can be reconfigured to have up to 96 GB of unified memory and up to a massive 8 TB of SSD. Now, let's go ahead and connect the cable and boot the device. The Mac Studio boots macOS Ventura out of the box and will soon be updated to the macOS Sonoma in the coming months. For now, the performance seems smooth so far, and we haven't put it through any stress test yet. But we'll be putting it through our paces to edit our videos, animation, and much more to bring you our full review. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, so those were our quick first impressions and the first look video of the Mac Studio. We'll be testing it thoroughly and bringing you our full review. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon so that you are notified about each and every video when they are published. And if you have any questions, do hit those in the comment section below, and we'll try to cover it in a full review. For now, it's Ritesh signing off, and we'll see you in the next one.